In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer large files from your Android phone to your computer. First off, you need to make sure your computer is connected to your Android phone. Okay, I'll just click on the Wi-Fi here and then click on my phone and then connect to my mobile phone. Once you are connected, it does not matter whether you have internet or not, just make sure the both devices are connected. So once both devices are connected, you head on to your phone and then look for Play Store and search for FTP Wi-Fi server. So you just have to install this to your mobile phone. I already have the pro version installed to my mobile phone, so I'm going to use that. So I'll look for FTP here, FTP, then I'll open it. So once you open your FTP, it will look like this. Then you have to click on start. Okay, so what you need from this FTP is just the IP, the server URL. Okay, so what you will do, you go back to your system, then go to your Window Explorer, click on this PC and then right click here, click add a network location, click on next, click next again, and then that URL you have to add it here. Okay, so what we'll do, this is the URL, so we're just going to enter it manually. Okay, so I'll go back to here and then enter the URL. We have FTP, okay, FTP 192.168. so once you enter the server URL, you have to click on next, then and click on next again, then click next to open your data, the data in your mobile phone. So this is all I have in my mobile phone, and that is exactly how you can transfer your large files from your mobile phone to your computer. You cannot copy anything from here. You can decide to copy this. You can copy it directly to your system, or you can decide to open the download here. You can see I have large files. I have large files in this download area. So if I want to copy anything from here, I can decide to select all or copy one by one. So if I go to my document area, I have different files here. So it now depends on the one I want to copy. So I'll just select the one I want to copy and then click on copy. Go to my desktop. If I want to copy everything, I can as well copy that. This is my desktop. I'll just paste it here. Okay, let me enable my desktop. Then whatever I copy, I can paste it here or create a folder where I want to paste it. All right, so that is exactly how you transfer your large files from your mobile phone into your computer. If you find this video helpful, kindly do well to subscribe, share with friends, like, and see you in the next video. Thank you for watching.